This is part 2 to my unboxing video, and we are going to put the stunt pegs on. We're in a different location because there is a baby out there making lots of noise. So if we just go to this, which is where the Allen key and the stunt pegs are. Always be mature about Allen keys because they are so amazing. Okay, here's the thing that you get off it. Just take that off and there you go. Get the Allen
comes
key
in a case now.
Yep. And the MGP Extreme Stunt Pegs, which is what this part 2 is going to be about. So if we just rip this open. And here they are. Pretty amazing. Got to put them on now. And this beautiful she-devil. My friend wants to hold him because he's not getting his end of days in like 3 weeks. So first time I've had proper good MGP stunt pegs. So anyway, we'll go to do the front one first, and we'll see. I think they are this one's a little bit shorter, so this one will be for the front. Got to put these on. I have my very own technique for putting them on. And dropping it as well, and because the headset spins so easily. So we've got the spacers here that I've put here. These are the front ones. Here's a tip for you. I grind with my left side, and don't put that side on the left because it will come off, and I learnt that with my old scooter. So you can see that pretty stuff. So we'll do the front one here. We'll put the spacer here. Get this. This is going to be annoying because it's going to be brand new. Hopefully not anyway. Can you... wait. I got this, don't worry. It's good in my toolbox of many things. We just get this to whatever you do it.
Put that up through it.
The hell? Oh, it slipped out.
Put that in it.
Yeah, good idea. Is that the short one?
One more. The same. That one. The other one, that one. That's one.
What was it? Okay. So I think I'm pretty sure they're the same length, so here we go. Oh, in part 1 I said that the bearings were Crunk K2, but they are mad. I don't know what are they mad K2s or?
No, they're just, yeah, mad K2s.
So that's what that
You gotta
one?
put the wheel on the other way.
Oh yeah. I'm a little bit slow today.
And your other side as well.
Shut up. This isn't frustrating me at all. Well, I only put the front one on since I'm taking my time here, but Never had extreme stump pegs before, so and then that other spacer, which is here, should just slide in. Just get that to help it, or encourage it to get into the right spot.
Stick it in.
And now that it's nearly on, just gotta push that bolt through. Which should come through. There we go. And put the head on. Not head, same thing. I don't know, might be, probably not. Make sure you don't cross thread it. It's not on tightly, so what we're gonna do is get my one of these and my Allen keys, which are over here. I'm not going to use, oh, I don't know if this one will fit it. Yeah, okay, so it does fit. So once that's on, just put it down like this and hold on to it with that. Just use this. Don't come in. Probably my sister or something.
Your mom?
Yeah, my mum.
Stalking your mom? Still stalking your mom? And
there we go. One stump peg on a she double. So, just want to start recording there, Joe?